Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing the Hot Tools 1-inch Salon Micro Crimper. I've been wanting a crimper in my bridal kit for a very long time. Perks of a crimper is that you don't have to tease so much in the crown area when you use a crimper. So it gives you pretty much texture to the hair. This ran me about $40 after taxes, and I purchased it off of Amazon. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to fully heat up to the temperature selected. I use this crimper, I want to say about 4 or 5 times already, and I have used it on a few clients at school. I do have clients that are looking for volume, but their hair is on the fragile side, so they don't want to tease as much, and so I suggested to them a crimper. And honestly, I love it so far. You may or may not know this by watching my channel, but I want to become a bridal stylist, hairstyle as well as makeup artist, and so when I have the chance to create styles, I definitely take advantage of that time and I create styles. So today I did a low updo on my mannequin. It is so not perfect whatsoever, but I really wanted to test out this crimper today, and this style came out beautiful. I definitely love the volume that it gave me around the crown area. Honestly, on this mannequin, the only product I used was hairspray. It was the Aveda Light Hold hairspray, and that is the only thing I used other than the crimper, my hands, and bobby pins. So that has amazing volume for what little product I used. So I will continue using the 1-inch Hot Tools Micro Crimper. And as always, I will update you all if I have any hiccups with this product. So, as always, thank you for watching and the support on this channel. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye!